I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop TikTok from suggesting your profile to other users. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. Do you love the creativity that TikTok affords, but you're not so keen on being put in the spotlight? If you prefer a bit more privacy and want to stop TikTok from suggesting your profile to other users, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to maintain your low-key presence on TikTok. Now let's walk through the steps to stop TikTok from suggesting your profile to other users. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your TikTok home screen. Step 2. Tap Profile in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Your TikTok profile screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap the menu icon at the top of the screen. A menu opens at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Tap Settings and Privacy. The Settings and Privacy screen is shown. Step 5. Tap Privacy in this menu. You'll land on your TikTok privacy screen. Step 6. Navigate to the Discoverability section and then tap Suggest your account to others. The next screen shows you options associated with who TikTok suggests your profile to. Step 7. Tap to toggle off any of these options you don't want your TikTok profile suggested to. Your changes will take effect immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.